Let's look at how to browse inquiries and search for relevant business for your company. You can filter all the available projects by categories of garments, by services required, and minimum order quantity per style. After you find an interesting project, you can view it and study it more closely. From this window, you can message the brand, submit a cost estimation, or send a formal proposal of your services. When you click on Make a Proposal here, in the pop-up window, choose preferred currency of the service, add a description of the items, quantity, and rate. If there is more than one style or type of clothing, click on New Entry. Add relevant VAT, payout terms, the proof of completion of the job, delivery terms, and any other details you consider relevant. After you finish, click on Send. When your proposal is accepted by the brand, you have to wait until the brand pays for it. When the brand makes the payment, you will see a message that the brand has paid for the proposal, and you can start working. When you complete the job, you will have to submit proof of completion to the brand. After that, you can request the release of the second part of the payment directly from the conversation. Click on Request Funds.